How to use H&R Block tax software. Follow these instructions. Download and install H&R Block from the official site or insert the CD. Open the software to start your tax return. Create or sign in to your account, then choose to start a new return or import last year's tax data automatically. Enter personal information like your name, SSN, filing status, and any dependents you're claiming this year. Upload or enter income forms such as W-2s, 1099s or self-employment income. Use auto-import if available. Answer the guided questions to add deductions and tax credits for education, homeownership, childcare, etc. Review for errors or missing info with built-in accuracy checks. Fix anything flagged before continuing. Choose to e-file your return. Federal is free, or print and mail it. Track your refund after submission. Thank you for watching.